What's up, YouTube? How you guys doing? I'm doing great. And today I have my mommy and mom say, hey.
Hey. Oh, I always have to touch my face.
Guys, today we have some Chipotle burritos. I already unwrapped mine.
Little Chipotle. I have a whole little baby dinosaur egg in my hand.
Yeah, I don't know which one's which, Mom. Which one is which?
Why are you touching it all over that, like, with your hands then, if you don't know which burrito is which? That is disgusting. She's so gross. Like, what if that was my burrito? With beans on it. You guys, I'm not a big fan of Chipotle, but last time I had it was pretty good. So I'm going to have it right now, too. With some Doritos.
Mm-hmm. Oh,
guess what?
She has to have all these.
Hold on. Guess what?
Oh, let me say it.
Go ahead.
It's Vlogmas day.
Stop.
23.
She's she's irritating me so bad. Stop. She's doing it on purpose. It's Vlogmas day 23. I want to save it. I'm trying to save my voice, you guys, because my voice sounds like it's going out a little bit. Not a lot of it. Why? I keep feeling like it's so dry and I keep coughing. But anyway, we're going to enjoy our burritos. So my burrito from Chipotle, I like to get chicken with pinto beans, corn, like I think it's mild corn salsa, sour cream, cheese, and lettuce.
Salsa, but
on mine, that's like my favorite.
Mine, I usually
that.
Oh, okay. So I like chicken, brown rice, no beans, lettuce, cheese, sour cream, and I usually don't get corn, but I got corn this time.
I would say I like brown rice too on mine. I like white rice too, but
Lately, when I got Chipotle, I usually get the bowl. Well, I was trying to get the bowl because my dad had the bowl a lot. I was like, oh, let me try it. It was really good. I bet it's just all the stuff without the shell. But it was really good. But this is good too. This is how I'm going to hold my burrito. You're just falling apart.
I don't know why. It was good though. Super good. The kids are being quiet in there. That's weird.
Yeah, I like my Doritos with sour cream.
Do you? My burrito feels like...
I'm a copycat.
Who's on top of here? What are you talking about?
Oh, sorry.
Why should you keep... How are you going to do this? You keep messing with me the whole time. I'm tired.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Don't irritate me. I feel like the TV's too loud.
It's not loud.
Oh. No, it's so good.
Yo, we're sitting here about to start the video, right? I got in my chair, got all comfortable in my position. Guys, you got me the empty jar of jalapenos.
She did.
You didn't give me a water.
I just didn't give me water, so I forgot a water.
Oh, and then the corn salsa, I had like onion and stuff in
Is
it.
it spicy?
And chicken is.
That's the spice I'm feeling. She said her burrito's cold, guys. The burrito has salsa and sour cream on it.
Not salsa. It's corn with cilantro and onion and stuff.
Can you finish your whole burrito?
Usually,
I bet you Justin probably eat like 3 of these.
I could do like to right there, but I always finish it.
I'm gonna finish that one. I'm gonna finish all of it on camera. Come look at me.
That you have to do
I
it.
feel so sleepy. Look at me.
Y'all, the corn is sweet.
Would you like a bite of my burrito? How do you hold the burrito this big?
Like this. Why, Rashawn? Why?
Nice, stop. You can't be saying stuff from the TV shows.
Yes, I can.
Can you?
Mm-hmm. I can. You can sing and stuff, Mom. You just can't listen to music.
We can hear it in here.
It's not music.
There's a movie.
Comment down below for y'all. I can say something off a TV show.
I don't know. Oh my god.
I feel like my ear's clogged, but it's not.
You're eating yourself. You're eating yourself. I didn't have a pepper yet because it's kind of spicy already.
Not even that spicy. Oh, I feel it. Okay. So my mom, last time we went to Sam's Club together, and
Last time we're at Sam's, what?
we were at Sam's, right?
What did I do at Sam's?
And she had to run and get something real quick, so we stayed in the car. And tell me why she came out. She's like, she called me when she was right next to the door, right next to the car. And she's like, close your eyes, Sanaya. I can already see if I'm in a back seat. And there was talkies at the bottom. And she's like, Sanaya. I was like, Mom, I see the talkies. She's like, well, you're not getting them until Christmas. I said, she's like, I'm wrapping them. I was like, okay.
Where are you going? What I got you for Christmas?
It was talkies. You can see them at the bottom of the car.
But you're not saying that the store. She's not telling the story right. It was not just a bag of Takis.
Oh, no. You want me to show them?
No.
I would show them if I had.
No. Just tell
I'll show
them.
you on Christmas, though.
Sure.
Which is 2 days away. 2 days away. Oh, but it was a 46 bag of Takis in a box.
Big old box.
As big as my mom's head box.
I feel like I'm bloated with air in my head right now. All the congestion. But you know what? I'm lucky. I can still taste my food. I'm happy about that.
You know stuff.
I need to sleep.
Oh, you know stuff. Guys, my mom went to the bathroom and she doesn't know I pushed play. This can be the annoying my mom prank while we're eating Chipotle. So before she comes back, I just want to tell y'all that because I knew we were gonna be starting off the video together, and so I had to tell y'all that. So I think she's about to come back. So I'll see you guys in a second. She's back, y'all.
Raya! I'm not in the mood.
Stop.
Naya! Come on, why are you doing that? That's not funny. Are you drooling? Naya, stop!
What?
What is wrong with her? So in the beginning of the video, I've been saying, Sanaya, leave me alone. Stop, Sanaya, stop. Stop. Come on, I want to eat my burrito, please.
Okay.
I have to bake.
Have a fire chip.
No, stop. No, you cannot have a bite.
Let me get it light.
So now I'm going to really slap you for real.
Let me get it light.
Oh.
I did my chip in your stuff.
No. So you're supposed to be grounded. I'm about to take your phone. Oh. Let's hope your sister ducks your cup down.
You gotta pick it up, so.
I need a fork. My burrito's falling apart.
Yeah.
So I stop. My food really is falling apart for real.
Yo, look at my gingerbread house. Ooh, my spotlight. What's wrong with you?
Put it in this video soon because you're going to try to make it. You know we don't feel the best in the world and your kids be acting like annoying.
That wasn't good.
Hi, baby.
Hi, Tissy.
Hi, boo-boo.
She said, Tissy, Mom, shush!
Now for one more time, you're taking your phone. No, I'm eating.
I know, I'm eating!
No, stop.
Why would you do that?